right, how are you guys doing today? Good. Are you excited about bubbles? Yeah. Welcome to the library. Let's go see a show. My name is Raella, but you can call me the Bubble Lady or Bubble Girl. That's who I am. And I'm someone called a bubbleologist. So a bubbleologist is someone who studies bubbles. The word ology means the study of something, and bubbles is what I study. Okay, we're gonna get them warmed up. Are you ready? Here it comes. Woo! Oh, see now. We blow on it. Woo! And look what happened. It popped. Isn't that fun? Whoa! We can make them bigger too. Woo! There it comes. Look at it shimmering and shaking like that. See? Woo! Now as we do this, we're gonna watch the bubbles and see what they do. See? Woo! Here it comes. Here it comes. Blow, 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 blow. Yeah! Look at how it's shaking. And it's changing directions. We're making it change directions too, just by blowing on it. Look at that. Isn't that fun? You see it dancing around in the light? Woo! I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to touch it. It came right at me. All right, so this is so fun. Now, as we're watching the bubbles, what we're doing as scientists, we're making observations, okay? So these are some fun observations. Now, I've got some more. We're going to take this hula hoop here, okay? And we are going to make something called a soap film. All right, ooh, look at that, that's a soap film. It's not quite a bubble yet because it doesn't have any air in it, right? But it moves just like the bubble. See how you can make the waves and it shimmers and shakes and dances and you can make the earthquake. Ah! Here it comes again. Here we go. Woo, see that? Oh! Woo! That's right, that's my rainbow bubble. Here, we'll come over here to this side. Woo! This is our rainbow bubble. That's good. Now, why is it a rainbow bubble? Because it's shaped like a rainbow? You see the colors on it. That's right. You've got your water, which is the bubble, and the lights are shining on it, making the colors, and we get our rainbow bubble. See that? Woo! Oh, it just keeps going on and on forever. Woo! Isn't that fun? All right, here he comes. Woo! Isn't that fun? So our snake bubble is very squirmy, right? He's very squirmy. I'm going to do it again. Now, one thing I love about the snake bubble is you can notice how you can see right through the bubbles like that. See? Hi, Calvin. Ooh, look at that big one. Woo! When we look at our snake bubble, we see that our bubbles are transparent. Hi. Woo! So yeah, there it comes. So we're going to do some experiments, okay? Now I'm going to take this hula hoop here. All right, now this one has a string attached, see? So it's kind of like the other one, but it has a big string attached. And what we're going to do is we're going to make our soap film again. We're going to cover it all with our soap film. And this time what we're going to do is underneath the string, we're going to pop it. We're going to pop this under here. And we want to see what happens up here. We want to see, does this stay a soap film or does it pop when we pop the bottom? Okay, so we're going to do a little prediction right now. Who here thinks when we pop this bottom part, this will pop too, so everything will be popped? Who thinks that? Okay, we got some of those. Okay, who thinks when we pop the bottom, the top will stay a soap film? Oh, okay. We got more takers on that one. Are you ready? Yeah. All right, here we go. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh, here it comes. So we've got our happy face, right? Are you ready? Here we go. We're going to pop it. Hey! Look at that. It's still there, right?
It's a happy face.
Well, that face kind of went upside down, didn't it? The string went up. Kind of made a sad face. But what happened was this soap film up here said, hey, I want to be as small as possible. Since you're not attached to anything down here, let's go way up here where we can be smaller. But we say we like it when you're a big soap film. But it wants to be really small. So we're going to make it as small as possible until, wait, we can't even see it anymore. Is it there?
No.
Who thinks it's not there anymore? It's gone. Okay, who thinks it's there but it's hiding? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what happens when we move it again. And look at that, it's still there. See that? And look how big we can make it just by moving the string. And now it's an eye. It's looking at you. It's an eyeball. Whoop, and there it goes. Isn't that fun? All right, so that's a fun experiment. We're going to do some more. This time we're going to experiment with some different shapes, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. We've got, this one here. What shape is this? That's our circle, right? And what shaped bubble did we get from our circle? I heard it. It's a sphere. Everybody say sphere. Sphere. Fantastic. So well, where is it going? So that was kind of a funny shaped one. So from our circle, we get our sphere-shaped bubble, right? Okay, now what about this shape? What shape is this one? This is our cube. That's right. Very good. So we have our cube, and we want to see what happens when we get one side of our cube, which is a square, filled up with our soap film. We want to see, can we get a square-shaped bubble? You think so? Who thinks we'll get a square-shaped bubble? All right, who thinks we'll get another sphere again and it'll be round? Okay, well, let's see what happens. I hope it's a square, because that would be really fun. All right, here we go. Ready? Here it comes. Oh, hey, we got a sphere again. From our square shape, we're getting a sphere-shaped bubble. Well, gosh.
No.
I wanted to see a square shape. Didn't you want to see a square shape?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? What if we took something that had a lot of little squares? Maybe we'll get a lot of little square-shaped bubbles. Do you think?
No.
Okay, we got some doubters. Who thinks we'll get a lot of square-shaped bubbles? Okay, who thinks there'll be a lot of little sphere round ones? Okay, well, let's see what happens, all right? Okay, here we go. We're going to get all dipped in. Ready? Here, wait for it, wait for it. Whoa! What is this? Look at that! Oh my goodness. That's like, looks like a beehive. Like a honeycomb, right? It's kind of gooey like a brain. Ooh. Or it dances. Bee-bop-a-loo-la, she's my baby. But what happened? They all got stuck together, didn't they? Yeah, so we're not getting squares or spheres. We're actually getting all kinds of little shapes inside there. Do you see all the shapes? We're getting octagons and pentagons and rubber bands. Do you see rubber bands?
No.
Wow, you guys are seeing cool things in there. Well, what's happening is when they're touching, they're creating a flat edge. Do you see the edges? Isn't that fun? So what we're seeing is they like to stick together, and they create those flat edges. And what if we did this? We get a big bubble storm. Oh, careful. Okay, let's take our cube again, and let's see what happens. They'll create those flat edges, and we'll have our cube. Look at that, and now I can see you guys on TV. Ooh, I'm watching you. Isn't that fun? Woo, see that? Okay. This is called, get ready for it. I love this word. It's called a tetrahedron. Everybody say tetrahedron. Oh, that was good. That was brilliant. I'm sensing an Oscar right there. Yes, and what it is, when you break down the word tetra means four. The word hedron means faces. And we've got 4 faces to our triangle, making it a tetrahedron. Isn't that fun? I love it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get one side, which is the triangle shape. We're going to fill it up with our soap film, and we're going to see if we get a triangle-shaped bubble. Here it comes. Oh, look at that. It is a sphere again. See, that's what we're seeing. What we're seeing is that bubbles like to be spheres, right? And that's because it's the smallest shape possible for bubbles. Bubbles like to be as tiny as possible, remember what we learned before? So what happens is we've got this flat soap film. The air comes in and it hugs around the air, creating that circle shape. Isn't that fun? So, there he goes. So bubbles like to be round spheres. I love it. Woo, there it goes. Woo! Bubbles like to bounce. This is our Cirque du Soleil bubble on our trampoline here. Woo! See that? It's our jumper, yeah. Woo! There we go. Try this one.
Wow.
Whoa! He's riding the wave. He's our surfing bubble. Woo! Oh, I love it. Bubble bubbles. Okay, we've got our string and our 2 straws. Ooh, here it goes. And we're going to make a soap film here. You just thread them together. You make your soap film, and then you just, even with just string and straws here, you can make, woo, bubbles. See that? Whoop. Woo! Look at that, see? Woo! Woo, there they go. And you can just keep making them, keep making them, keep making them. So we've got a really big hula hoop, right?
Yeah.
So maybe we can make a really big
Bubble.
bubble! Here we go, ready? What about this? What if we did this? One, 2, 3. Woo! Look at that! He's in the bubble! Yes! 2, 3, blow! Woo! Let's try it one more time. Let's try it one more time. Here it comes. Yeah, yeah, yeah! That was so good! Yeah. 3. Woo! Look at that! Oh my gosh, that was so good. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. And this. All right, blow, blow, blow. So cute. You guys are doing so good. Look at that. 3. Uh-oh, uh-oh, we want to see your nose. There you go. There it is, there it is. Look at that. Yes. Awesome. 2, 3. Woo. One more time. Here he comes. Yeah. Wow. 2, 3. Woo. Look at that one. One more time. Here it comes. Yeah! 2, 3. Oh, woo! Look at that! One more time.
It stinks because all the kids are.
Yeah! 2, 3. Woo! Did you see how far that went? One more time. Woo! Woo! Look at that! That went on forever. One more time. Woo! 1, 2, 3. Woo! One more. Here we go. Oops, wait a minute. Let me try that again. 3. Woo! One more. Here we go. Woo! Look at that. 3.
I'm in a bubble.
Good job. One more time.
I'm in a bubble.
We got a dancer here. 3. Woohoo!
Bubble.
Woo! Good job. One more.
Joshy blow.
Woo! 3. Woo! One more time. Oh, that was a little too hard. Let's try it one more time, a little softer. 3. Woo! One more. Woo! 3. Woo! One more. Blow. Yeah! 3. Woo! One more. Whoa. Let's try it one more time. Woo! Yeah! Talk to your parents. See if they can help you put together some bubbles, and you can do your own experiments, okay? And with their permission, try some different things, okay? These are something different that you can try to make bubbles with, or try different things around the house, and you get your bubbles, see? And you do your experiments, and you can have a fun rest of your summer, all right? So thank you guys so much. You were awesome.
Where would I go to learn about bubbles? Where would you go to learn about bubbles? Where would you go? To the library, of course, and I found all kinds of